Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a ring border around Instagram profile picture using Canva. So you can start by opening the Canva apps on your phone, and then here click on the plus icon at the bottom and use an Instagram post as the size. Okay, so the square canvas will be open. You can just wait until it's fully open, the feature. Okay, so after it's open, you can just click on the canvas in here, or you can go straight to elements category and then find the frame options at the top. Click on that and use the circle frame. Click on the circle, adjust the size so that it fits into the canvas. You can adjust it how you like it. I'm going to go with the size right here. Make sure that it's on the center. And now you can just find the photo. So as an example, I'm going to just use a photo from Canva. So here I'm going to find photos of, for example, a woman, and just click on enter, click on photos. Okay, so for example, I'm going to just use this photos right here. Now you can just drag the photo so that it fits into the frame just like this. And to add the ring border around the photo, you can just go to the elements again, delete the keyword and just type in circle. Click on graphics category. Now add the second options in here. Click on the circle, adjust the size so that it fits into the circle frame. Okay, just like this. And now I'm going to go to change the color. Click on color in here, and then you can just select the color that you want for the ring border. For example, I'm going to just go with green, this green color. And now what you need to do is just click on the arrow at the top, click on download and save it as image. Okay, now after you save the image, you can just go to your Instagram and then change your profile picture with this photo that you just saved. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.